World stage. When you won the presidency and took up the mantle of President of the United States, you also walked out onto the world stage as the supposed leader of the free world. This was your right, as won in hard-fought battles by your predecessors and at the cost of many American lives. As you meandered through the hallways of power around the world in various meetings, it was your understanding that those from other countries would defer to you because of your position as president, and defer they did. They did so because they, too, understood the place you had assumed and were willing, more than willing, to allow you to take your place as first among equals. They would even allow you to physically push them aside as you made your way to the front of the line. But the luster has worn off. Leaders around the world no longer are deferring to you. Positional authority will only take you so far, and then, if not augmented by real leadership skills, begins to wane and eventually fade. Yours is quickly waning, Mr. President. You no longer are held in the esteem of which your office is accustomed. Mr. President, it would seem that you think you have things under control. You think that you know how this game is played. Unfortunately, for the most part, you come across as nothing more than a schoolyard bully without a clue about what is going on around you. The leaders of some of these countries are seasoned professionals with years of dealing with those within their own infrastructure who think that might makes right, as you seem to do. They have used them until they are no longer useful and then moved on. You are simply another hurdle in a long line that they have already overcome. They are in the midst of passing you by. Soon you will be an afterthought as they move on to take charge. The void you have left on the world stage will be filled by others. Nature abhors a vacuum, and you, Mr. President, have left a leadership vacuum which others will fill, much to the detriment of this great country. You have put us at a disadvantage and have hurt our future. Hopefully others will be able to come behind you and repair the damage before it becomes permanent and irreparable.